Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cool mint. This amazing herb offers a truly refreshing flavor and an invigorating aroma that can brighten your day. We'll explore its many uses, from enhancing your favorite drinks and dishes to boosting your personal care routine. Get ready to discover how this versatile plant can bring a cool, fresh touch to various aspects of your life, making everyday moments more enjoyable. Cool mint is a fantastic ingredient to brighten up your kitchen creations. Imagine a tall glass of iced tea or lemonade, perfectly infused with fresh mint leaves for a truly invigorating sip. You can also chop it finely to add a vibrant, fresh twist to fruit salads, or even sprinkle it over desserts like chocolate mousse. Don't forget savory dishes. Mint pairs wonderfully with lamb or fresh green peas, adding a delightful aromatic note. Beyond the kitchen, cool mint offers wonderful benefits for personal care and your home environment. Many oral hygiene products, like toothpaste and mouthwash, harness mint's power to leave your breath feeling incredibly fresh. For a soothing or uplifting experience, diffuse a few drops of mint essential oil in your living space. You can also strategically place mint plants around your home to naturally deter common pests, keeping your surroundings pleasant and fresh. To enjoy fresh, cool mint whenever you like, consider growing your own. Mint is a vigorous grower, so planting it in a container is highly recommended to control its spread. Harvest the leaves regularly. This encourages bushier growth and ensures you always have the freshest flavor. Once harvested, you can store fresh mint in the refrigerator. Simply wrap the stems in a damp paper towel and place them in a plastic bag for up to 7 days of freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.